On March 27th, 2025, a Rhode Island officer stopped a 21-year-old Providence College student for a seatbelt violation. That stop ended with 11 kilograms of cocaine seized from a hidden compartment. The stop was clean. In Warren versus United States, the Supreme Court held that any observed traffic infraction is sufficient grounds to pull a vehicle over, regardless of what else the officer suspects. Seatbelt. Stop. Done.
I wanted you to pull to the right, that's all.
Okay, sounds good.
No, it's all right. We're here now. It's all set.
Okay.
Sorry, just gotta wear your seatbelt the right way, okay?
Sorry about that. This is my cousin's rental.
Okay. I don't want that. I don't want the rental agreement. That's the registration. So are you on the rental agreement?
Yeah, I should be an authorized secondary. Yeah. Is there any way you guys can search it up with the plate?
Doesn't work that way.
I got into an accident.
Doesn't work that way.
It doesn't work that way?
No.
Yeah.
Is it in the center, maybe? All right, just hop outside.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, I want you to talk outside of the car.
The traffic stop.
Yep. Come on up. Get out of the car. Yes, I want to speak to you outside of the car.
Well, what is your reason?
We'll talk outside of the car.
I'm just trying to look for the registration, but
Okay.
it's not taking my car, so.
Okay. The United States Supreme Court allows me to ask you to get out of the car. All right? Any weapons on you?
No weapons.
Just keep your hands out of the pockets for me. I'm not patting you down. Relax. Just come over here. I just told you we were just talking. Just slide on that side. Just rest your butt right now.
So
what's up, man?
So before you search up, I usually get like a kind of, before you search up my name, probably didn't
Okay.
My brother's incarcerated, same name as me,
Okay.
so they usually get me confused.
Yeah, I got you.
That's all I want
It
to say.
happens. Okay.
I usually get pulled out a lot, and I know they usually confuse me for him.
I've never met you. I have no f***ing clue who you are or your brother.
Appreciate it.
I don't care. All right? All right. So it's your cousin's rental?
Yes.
So who's your cousin? Where are you going now?
I'm going to get a oil change at Firestone, literally right down the road. Then I got 2 nails in the tire, so right after that, I'm trying to get that situated.
Where are you coming from now?
School. I go to Providence College.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You see? What do you study there?
Finance.
Finance?
I went to Roger Williams, did 1 year criminal justice, transfer there.
Right on. Cool, man. What do you do for work?
Right now I'm a bus driver. I'm a bus monitor.
Yeah.
I want to become a bus driver. My mom's a bus driver. She's trying to get me in that. And I'm a lifeguard on weekends. Literally just took this car for the day.
I get it, man. How's your license?
My license is good. I just got into an accident.
It's all active, though?
Yeah, everything's
No warrants or anything?
No,
Okay. You ever been arrested?
Never been arrested.
Never in your life?
Never in my life.
You already had class?
I usually, no, I don't have class.
No. Oh, nice. Thursday, no class?
No class. Friday, but tomorrow's usually my busy days. That's at 5 o'clock.
Where's your cousin at? Anything illegal in the car?
No, nothing illegal.
Okay. No firearms?
No firearms.
No cocaine? No large amounts of U.S. currency?
There's probably like $1,000 in the car.
$1,000? Okay. Fentanyl? Well, marijuana? Large amounts of marijuana?
I mean, I smoke marijuana, but...
Yeah, no big deal. No large amounts of marijuana in the car? Okay. No unprescribed medications?
No.
What's in the... Was it that all medical marijuana in the trash bag?
Yeah.
In the back?
But there's probably like...
Are they empty or full?
Well, a lot of the boxes are empty, but there's
There's like 1,000 of them in there.
No.
Trash bag's full, so no big deal.
Not 1,000.
Yeah. I mean, there's a lot. It's full, so.
I like smoke a lot. I'm a smoker.
Yeah, that's cool.
But
okay.
I don't do nothing. Nothing else.
Anything legal on you?
No.
You want to pat you down?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Still not funny. Put your hands on the car, relax. So you never been in trouble?
Never been told.
How come your brother's not getting the? Your cousin's not getting all that shit?
He asked me to do him a favor.
Okay. Have a seat in my car. You're not under arrest, okay?
All right.
Just being detained for now, okay? All right, listen, I've been doing this a long time, all right? All I look for is drugs and guns. So if you're forthcoming with me, I'm gonna be cool with you. I'm just telling you my side. I'm telling you my side, all right?
I understand.
So obviously I have a job to do, all right? And I'm good at my job, all right? You're displaying a lot of things to me that make me very suspicious.
No, I totally understand.
All right? So this is kind of your last opportunity. If there's anything small in that car, honestly I don't care about small amounts of any drugs.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you, just a little bit of marijuana.
Yeah.
Not that much.
What's a little bit?
Probably like literally 2 ounces.
2 ounces.
It's just in boxes, so it looks a lot.
Yeah, I got you. All right, just hang tight for me.
And I have my cell phones in there, but
Yeah, how many phones you got? I saw
there's probably like
5 in there.
but a lot of those are not even like on.
don't function?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
A lot of them aren't.
All right, just hang tight for me, bro.
Appreciate it.
So you're studying finance?
Finance, my last year.
Did you just leave the dispensary? Is that why it's all in the car, or what's the story?
Well, honestly, I smoke a lot of freaking weed, bro. A lot of freaking weed.
Okay.
So I like to keep a lot on me. Well, not a lot. I don't really consider that a lot.
Do you sell it, or what?
I wouldn't say I sell it. Like, my brothers.
Hook your boys up, whatever?
My brother smoked a lot of weed. I have a lot of siblings.
Okay. How much cash is in the car?
I just took the car for literally a day. I can't say it, but I was priced at like $1,000.
Okay. Where'd you pick the car up?
Providence.
Where's that at? Whereabouts?
12 minutes from here.
All right, give me a second.
192.
Didn't call 911.
Obviously selling it.
Go ahead. It's ready, 2700 series.
Oh my.
Good?
Want to talk to me?
For what?
It's behind the cup holder
On a couple of them.
in the back seat.
I don't know what you're talking about, boss.
That freaking kilo, dude. Oh my god. Holy
You're right around here.
We good?
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
5, I'm en route.
What's going on?
I just found some stuff in the car that we gotta talk about. Yeah. Okay?
Some stuff.
Yep. So just hang tight for me. Alright. I think there's 5 kilos in this truck. I think so. I think. It's crazy. So I get him out of the car. He drives by me. He's like freaking out. I'm looking at him. He's right in front of me. So I stop him. No seatbelt. You can go on. I want this on camera.
Okay.
All right. He pulls in front of me. He's coming this way. Rental car out of New York. He's not on a rental. Can't provide rental agreement. Says his cousin's car. Behaviors are there during the interview. There's a big trash bag full of marijuana. Appears to be over 2 ounces. Right. So I go through my whole interview, gives me the consent to pat him down, nothing on him. Extremely nervous, numerous cell phones in the center console, over $1,000 in the center console. So I'm searching the car and I see, so the third row, I pull down the back seat, get to the third row and I look, I see the cup holder. It's not fixed properly in the car.
Yeah.
So I pick it up and I can see it appears to be a tan rat. So I lift it up more, I see several of them. I think there's like 5 kilos in the rear of this car right now. So I'm just gonna, I have probable cause.
Yeah.
I can articulate everything.
Yep.
I just want the dog just to make it concrete.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna get off. He's not handcuffed, he's been very cooperative, but it's all there.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm pretty confident that kilos, but I could be wrong. So I saw one like slid down, and it's the exact shape of a kilo, and I was like, maybe it's like an airbag. I don't know.
Yeah.
Right? But it's not an airbag.
Yeah.
And then I looked further, and I saw 2 stacked. One's wrapped in red tape, one's wrapped in black tape.
Hang on. Hop. Oh boy, this side. This side. This is all the following.
Look in here, shake.
This is what he kept coming back.
Look right here. Oh, I got it. Look this way and then over.
You feel like
Look, it's all cut out. It's not normal.
no,
There's 2 over here too.
step one.
It's a kilo,
Step one.
right?
Step one. Hey, you know what?
Can you grab me my phone? I want to take a photo, please. No, I don't need it. I'm gonna rip it right off. He's got the weed right here to mask the odor of the fucking drugs. He's got the air blaster.
Where is it? In the corner panel?
Yeah, it's all right here. Yep.
Perfect.
All right, it's Teddy, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm just gonna read you your rights. I just want you to listen, okay?
Absolutely.
You have the right to remain silent. Do you want to talk to me?
I don't know what's going on.
I found some packages in the rear quarter of your vehicle that are indicative of heavy amount of narcotics.
Okay.
What do you know about it?
I don't know nothing about it.
Okay. So you don't know if this car's loaded with a bunch of kilos?
I don't know nothing about
Because
it.
it's loaded with a bunch of kilos.
I really don't know nothing.
Okay. Nah, he's not talking. Oh, right there, right there. Hold it. Camera. You got a multi-tool?
I got one.
1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5 right now.
Give me one good pullback now.
Oh, baby. Look out. I think I just broke your multi-tool.
I don't care.
It's worth it.
Yeah.
Just leave them all right here for now. That could be anything. Could be fat coke. Oh my goodness gracious. This is insane.
5, 4.
Holy shit. They coming. Keep coming, baby. Keep coming. Holy f.
Hang on.
Alright, this whole fender's got it, because this whole fender's loaded.
I'm gonna have Justin put him in handcuffs right now.
I don't want to do that.
Alright.
Give me a second.
That's what
I don't know. Alright, put your hands behind your back. Alright, you're under arrest, okay?
Anyway, you can lose me a little bit.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be cool with you as long as you're cool with me. And that's how handcuffs fit. They fit you perfectly. I can stick my finger in there. You're okay. Thank you. I'm gonna hold the flashlight. You stick your head in there. There's some more down there. I can't see. Down there. Can you tell?
that compartment.
Oh yeah, there's more. Holy shit.
Time is 10:31.
There you go.
It's probably all clips now.
I'll take an AR, please.
This is crazy. This is crazy, bro. I think I got them all. It goes way down.
Yeah, let's just put that.
Oh, this has to stay right there. That's the money shot. That's the money shot. That's everything I've worked for. Oh my god.
Did we rip the other side off?
That's good. Thank you. Good point. See, I got tunnel vision. Now this one's solid. I want to say there might be one more down there,
That's what I'm trying to get.
Sarge, because it sinks down.
Yeah.
There could be a couple more that fell. I don't know how to get at them.
We don't have to get at it right now.
Correct. So
can just get
we'll take the photos
BCI,
down to BCI, take him to the station.
take him to the station, take his phone.
Oh yeah, I got everything. Open container too.
That's gonna put him away.
Not the 9 kilos.
Oh, wait, you back?
5 phones.
Where's the marijuana bag? Pat's got about a year and a half of paperwork to do. You know, Shane said he's going to help him with all of it.
Hey, tap this. Reminders.
Oh, the trash bag?
All the weed, and I'll leave that open container.
15 on the pocket.
We only got what we could reach, so there's a good chance that there might be more. So I want to bring it right to the station, right to the BCI bay. Is there anything in there?
No,
There is, have them take it out, but you can rip that whole car right above.
Yep. Yep.
He's forgiven for all.
Yeah.
He's forgiven for everything.
I don't know about everything, but we can talk about it.
All right.
All right, we'll see you.
Bye.
Justin, you waiting for tow? All right, you don't leave that car out of your sight.
No, I'm gonna pull right behind him.
That you stay right behind the tow driver. You don't fucking lose. And it's going to the station. It's going into the BCI bay.
When Lopez couldn't produce the rental agreement, the officer ordered him out. Pennsylvania versus Mimms settles this. An officer can order a driver from a lawfully stopped vehicle with no additional justification. Lopez asked for a reason. The law doesn't require one. Lopez was not in custody at this point, so Miranda hadn't attached. He disclosed marijuana in a trash bag, $1,000 in cash, and multiple cell phones, none of it in response to a question requiring an answer. Under Carroll versus United States and United States versus Ross, Those disclosures gave the officer probable cause to search the entire vehicle. Every container, every compartment, including panels behind cup holders. No warrant needed. Rhode Island permits marijuana possession up to 1 ounce in sealed, child-proof packaging. Lopez's marijuana was in a trash bag. That single admission justified the search, independent of everything else the officer already observed. Before opening the panel, the officer called for a narcotics canine. Illinois versus Cabal settled this. A canine sniff during a lawful stop is not a Fourth Amendment search. The positive alert added a second independent layer of probable cause. The officer also articulated probable cause on camera before the destructive search began. Courts ask what an officer could state at the moment of the decision, not what the evidence later showed. That documentation is why this search holds up. The officer told Lopez, "If you're forthcoming with me, I'm going to be cool with you." Without an explicit promise of leniency, courts generally don't treat this as coercion, but defense attorneys probe it every time, which is why cleaner language matters. The search yielded 11 kilograms of cocaine, 11 pressed fentanyl pills, and THC, well above the legal limit. Charges under Rhode Island General Laws Sections 21-28 included trafficking, conspiracy, and distribution near schools. On January 28, 2026, Lopez pleaded no contest to possession with intent to distribute fentanyl and felony drug conspiracy. 8 years concurrent, 21 months to serve, 75 suspended, 8 years of probation. Violate it, and the suspended time comes back. The officer gets an A-. The stop was grounded, the interview methodical, and calling for canine confirmation before the destructive search was smart. The deduction is for the cool with you language. It invites challenge, even when courts uphold it. Lopez gets a C+. He stayed physically compliant throughout. No resistance, no escalation, and that matters. But he disclosed contraband without being asked, handing the officer a probable cause foundation he didn't need to build on his own. First lesson. The automobile exception is broad. Probable cause through odor, admission, or plain view opens the entire vehicle. Hidden panels included. There is no protected zone inside a car once that threshold is crossed. Second lesson. Pre-custodial silence is the most underused protection in these stops. Before arrest, a person on the roadside has no obligation to answer questions about contraband. That silence is constitutionally protected and cannot be used against them. Third lesson. Articulating probable cause before a search is not procedural theater. At suppression hearings, courts ask what the officer could articulate at the moment, not afterward. This officer built that record before touching the panel. That's the standard. The broader picture. A seatbelt violation triggered the exit order under Mimms. A marijuana admission triggered the automobile exception. A canine alert closed the loop, each step legally distinct. Each step correctly executed, each step compounding what followed. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.